What is that guy looking at? He's curious. He's gonna ask him something, I think. The clouds have covered the sun. So nice. Look at that plane landing. That's not an airport, it's probably someone's private. Taking the exit, I guess. Guys, I'm not talking that much because I'm just taking this moment, and like, you don't realize, like, for some people it might be normal, but for it was one of my dreams, you know, to have a bike, to have a sports bike, and then to ride with other riders. Of course, nothing crazy, just like the feeling of riding with other riders is like, I can't put that into words. It feels so good. Like, I don't know any of these people. I actually don't. All of them I met for the first time except Jack. Jack, I met him only when I go on my bike, just like a couple of times, that's it. And then he left the dealership, so I haven't met him after that. And we barely talked on Instagram. But still, it's like, you know, it's a feeling of community. That's amazing. Clear.
fist ball, I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, Think I'm not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? And we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. The palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch, the label cut the check like the blazeman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when the parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways when you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with.
Yeah, I've met this guy before at the dealership. I think, yeah, I remember his MQ-7. He showed me. His exhaust is super loud. He got it. He got it from I think Amazon or Alibaba. I don't remember. And like it's super loud. That is an R6. That is a nice R6 though. I'm gonna ask him what year it is. Alright guys, so my battery died. We stopped at this 7-Eleven. I put air in my tires. It was super low. I was like, my bike is feeling weird, and now I know why. Now we're gonna continue. We're gonna probably go eat somewhere. Let's go. Oh, it feels much better. Guys, it feels way better now. Like I had to give it a lot of power for it to like go, because the air was super low. It was supposed to be 36 and it was 13. Oof. How was there's a guy looking at. He's curious. He's gonna ask him something, I think. Honestly, I have no idea where we are right now. I'm just following them wherever they're going. We're going to eat somewhere. I don't know where. Jack picked a place. So hopefully it's good. I wasn't supposed to do that, and I didn't realize until I did it. But then I let him go. I'm gonna ask him to rev it. Rev it. That's a 2016 R6. It's so nice, guys. Like, R6 is gonna be my all-time favorite bike. I am gonna get one, like next bike is of course gonna be R1M or R1 probably next year. But I'm just gonna have an R6 because this was the first bike that won my heart, you know. Like, this was the bike where, like, oh yeah, I need a Yamaha. Like, I wanna get that bike. And then when R7 came out, I'm like, oh, and that was the time I was planning on getting one finally. And the R6 were going so high back then because the company had stopped making R6. They were only making it for the track because it was supposed to be the track bike. R6 was made to be on the tracks because the horsepower and the shape and everything. But people started bringing it on the road, and like, it was so fast and looked so nice. So nice that everyone started getting it. All like the new riders and everybody. And then they started getting in the accidents and stuff because it was so fast for the road. And then they stopped making it, and then they released R7. to mitigate the gap between R3 and R1, and I fell in love with an R7, bro. Honestly, I love this bike, but of course I'll upgrade. It is fast, but you get